कि Khubor ka Bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Office Jong Commissioner nakabantagi beliau ki badan ke jing Duna hagi Dkhot men. Mentang sengi ke santarik uluber. Ki la pelong ya ke jing pentep pat ba halor ka hok jong ki beliau ki ba Duna hagi Dkhot men. Ni ka Right of Person with Disabilities Act arajar kat nriu. Ya kini ke program la pelong ha usus utam auditorium haringkat ke jing trelang bat ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority. Kum shibenta baki bos taksi bat ki conductor bus kim dei ban Ñiew Beiñ ya ki beliau ki badan pedeng ka jing Duna ki Dkhot men. Hakini ke sengi la yo ru ya ke jing kren nau prafula ki ar boro ubreu Chief Executive Officer katnat Shillong Municipal Board bat uba IW Ingti kum ukongsan.
That's why I would like to appeal, especially my STPS drivers, who are driving your buses on the road. As per the assigned road prescribed by the authority, when you come across with the differently able persons, please sense your perceptions, your behavior. They should be at all discriminated because they have got rights to access. That's why in our Moda, we have already reserved seats, especially for the differently able persons. Not only that, even the rectangular ramps are being provided. With regards to the even building also, when you construct the building, when you issue the building permissions from Moda, we always try to insist that the owner must construct the toilet, or it must be harmonized with the prescribed rules. That's why I don't want to lengthen my speech. It is time has come to sense our perception, to sense our behavior.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Buddha and the Office of the Person with Disabilities for having organized this program. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the Accessible India campaign was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 3rd of December 2015, whereby target is made to build environment, transport system, information and communication technology accessible to the persons with disabilities. I thank Madam Sabrilla for mentioning that I had an opportunity to work in the transport department for a pretty long time, and during my time there we had a lot of interaction with the social welfare department, with the transport department, and then we have tried to do our best, but still we are very far, and I would request the officers who are there now to kindly do their best, and myself also from the social welfare department, I would like to participate and see that we try to contribute so that the persons with the disabilities will have a special place in the public transport. The right for persons with disabilities is a significant piece of legislation aimed at ensuring that individuals with disabilities have equal access to transportation services and facilities. The state government is also in line with the provisions of the Act. With regards to the accessible transportation, the state government has recently notified the state-level constitutive committee for monitoring the functions of accessible transportation to persons with disabilities. So let us empower mobility for all and pave the way for an inclusive tomorrow. As we strive to build more inclusive communities, Let us not forget the importance of accessible transport in creating a world where everyone is valued and included.
Tina kawi kabanga su kumen kalomba nga di completed workshop ngadi Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. Tina la kumen banyo ni ka kala mo ban kan aktif hasi. Tie ngakwa bani tu ifi. Bakani ka ain jongka the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act aja kan rio. Kadi ka ain kabala penang kamhi dah apa pun ada dah apa kenika anjung kenika the United Conventions on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Kalau awan hak kebuat mo hak kendai terik. Kalau awan hak kebuat hak kendai terik jang April ajar kat Ñiew. Tika ini jumpu jang kenika an. Kenika an kalau kaba strict ha, hadu kata-kata. Kalau an kaba tiada nakam yang ni ki nong tray sokar, ya ki nong tray snong, ya ki ba ya hiru iwe kaba tiada nakam bani hap ban ulong ya kenekaan kaba day nak mentakap hakam ya kini ki beliau berjaya Dkhot. Ki buat bagi sections. Kita dah she's part of the sections. She's part of the ketika way section kaba day nak bertajak ki mentas ni ketika section South Way. Section 41 mo. Section South Way kabadai syapang ni orang kata ke accessible transportation. Kaya kata ke accessible transportation. Let's say pin kwa bante bakal kasni. Accessible transportation kabang orang kadai syapang kata kajing leg kajing wan kajing nya inti kajing syong kali kini kibriu badal mijing rai Dkhot me. Kaban pinsuk punsanya ki. Kamu cuba kendiat nak office cumi Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities nila syangkia bah. Kini akses kemang isa menye. Kini accessible dia campaign kalawan haka kebalapan orang kami lah. Mereka hak ni ka state ni hak live erik ubenai pakat hajar kasan kabala inaugurate dau Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Kaya kejing jong kani pan pelong ye kini ki jaka ki baki tray bakta ki public buildings ki jintai mo ki ba nila balik tray kita ki dei ban long ki ba la ban rong tanam ta jini ki brio ki ba ni pian ki jan ki ba la ban ya ban ye hendai ki di ban pen long ro ban pen ya pen bet baki ni ban sup lo kita ki brio kibam la abanya kibam la aban kibasya haki wheelchair kibaya ki crutch kibam yo ki khmat kibam yo slow push for kibaduna ki jingmo chupakat kita baro ni habban ban ya long lengkat kata ka jinglong ka jingman kong kiwe ki brio kiba biang mo tie ko we pade ka long kata ka ki jingthnu ka ba ka jingthnu ka dei ban penlong ki ni ki ko jingtip mo pawat dunia ngong kata ka accessible websites kata ke kau cinta cimbanya kebangi di ban bayi bangiyo ban peken barabar tang mengi kibrio ki bangiyo ini netang mengi kibrio ki nang bande ati komputer ki bangila ban pek kibian baki nila bangiyo ki cintip hende inja ayu la de kini kibrio bangiyo inja ayu la de kibrio ki bangiyo snow ne kibrio ki shong hakini ki wheelchair ne kinu kibrio ki jan ki bam sutho kini akan no ki pa kan pek komputer hende kini akan no ya kamiru pi ke sarkar India kala orang ba dei ban pen $1 ya kata ka kor cintip dah kabangi bo ya kita ki accessible features no kita ki jinangkan hak ni ka komputer hak website ban sukin mamakiru kena tekunong India ya kata ni dan bok ha ban ni dan ka kenika yung National Informatics Center ke NIC mo hakaba nila yo banete lang patki nila don kong melesa wa lang ru ibalayarap ini ban pen wandur kumo ba kini kibrio pada mijing nai Dkhot map kila ban yo kijing tipken dia dah kababu kumo hi hina lech ki komputer kita kini kijing buat kapang ni ong ki font size mo ki bala ban pen he ki bala ban pen red ki ba ki brio badan ki jing Duna ha ka bor yo I ki la ban pe lada ki kwa ban tip ke ba tho hang tu kedan ke ni ka voice announcement bang ong mo ti kata ba o ki la yo so ken ti inti ayo tu khna o brio ba bom dan ya bor yo so Jadi itu kita beri bantuan kepada orang ki lihat kono, ki kena ki sign language. Baik mentah, ini di irida, rida len, rida hun jad, kriam, ini di sign language interpreter. Baik hai hapua balikran, balik lihat kono nama, ba kidan la perenjang fihan ni ki bom yo snow. Tina kata kadang ni nak office nak pendu ba ina bantuan kunni kan kini kila tip ke ke bang kren yafi kini ki weru ki wasno kini ki weru ki tip tinga thai la se ke de sing ke baning kong yafi ki bus driver ki bus conductor video kan ni teso bha ra alam ya ke de khubor shaki to banang man shushu haki program ki bang organize nin nam aina bakin ya ke nin session ka kadang ka an ka batin ha warle amman sisian bagi khari ka program bagi de banwan ki bang wan yang sapan ke les balik bikin wan nama ada bikin wan min saya ada batin ia kami kadi kasihan bandingkong keluar bermak biki hak kasihan ba abi kandak ke program lada ni wan kin sa Dkhot nama kedan ke an ke ba nyalla bande ke ba presha ikini ki brio ki badan ke jingkai Dkhot me balik ki organize ni ke program nak banta jomno nak banta ke jokhi bafilap kumno ban bui kumno ban le haba fi kinu ikini ki brio badan ke jingkai Dkhot me buat ki complain bangiyo lagi ki wan ki bus ki sham ki le ayo ki bus driver ki bus conductor da ki kiyo ki Iceland ki ong le che ai ki tep ki su thu ban kran ki da nam chu tu shu ki pet no ki be no ki ong lem tep ti buat ki complain ban ka office nama ka office ni ke dei ki ba trei ya ka ha ka biat bas not ya ka jing won ki jing nam jom kini ki brio yen na ban sha na ta ka daw ni penlong ya kini ka program ni susanat maka ni ka secretary jongka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority kala shikya bang ang pa ka proposal sa office ni immediately ibariki ngadi ban ang pudesi boni ila le bah